Mao. Welcome back. Today, we learn the magic words, the words that make people like you, the words that open doors, literally and figuratively. You know what I learned living on the streets? Manners matter. When I am polite to the restaurant owner, I get fish. When I am rude, I get chased away. Same with humans. Say please and thank you, and people want to help you. They smile. They are friendly. Forget these words. People think you are rude. Or worse, they think you don't care. These 4 words are tiny, but they have big power. Yes, no, please, thank you. Learn these. Use these. Every single day. Let's start. First, the simplest word. When you agree. When you want something. When the answer is positive. Repeat after me. Yes. Yes. Easy, right? Just one word. But there are different ways to say it. Formal, yes. Simple, clear, yes please. When accepting something, casual, yeah. Common, everyday, yuck. Very casual, friendly, uh-huh. Super casual, agreeing while listening, enthusiastic, yes. Excited, absolutely. Very positive, of course. Definitely yes. Let's practice with questions. I will ask, you answer. Yes. Do you want to learn English? You say, yes. Or, yes, please. Are you watching this video? You say, yes. Do you like cats? You say, yes. Or, of course. Good answers. Now the opposite. When you disagree. When you don't want something. When the answer is negative. Repeat after me. No. No. Again, there are different ways. Polite, no. No, thank you. Refusing politely. No, thanks. Casual but polite. I'm sorry, but no. Very polite refusal. Direct no. No. Simple, clear. Nope. Casual. Strong. No. Absolutely not. Very strong no. No way. Emphatic. Casual. Important tip. In English, saying no directly is okay. You do not need to make a long excuse. No, thank you is complete and polite. Let's practice. I will offer you things. You say, no, politely. Do you want this rotten fish? You say, no, thank you. Should we stop learning English? You say, no, or no way. Is English impossible to learn? You say, no, or absolutely not. Perfect. Now we get to the power word. Please. This word is magic. Watch. Give me water. Sounds rude. Demanding. Give me water, please. Sounds polite. Friendly. See the difference? One word. Changes everything. Repeat after me, please. Where to use please. When asking for something. Water, please. Coffee, please. Help, please. When making a request, please help me. Please repeat that. Could you please speak slowly? When accepting an offer, person, do you want tea? You say, yes, please. Person, would you like help? You say, yes, please, thank you. Where does please go in a sentence? You can put it at the end. Help me, please. At the beginning, please help me. In the middle, could you please help me? All correct, all polite. Let's practice. Complete these sentences. Repeat after me. Water, please. Please help me. Could you please repeat that? More time, please. Please wait. Excellent. You sound so polite now. Now the most important phrase. When someone helps you, when someone gives you something, when you are grateful, repeat after me. Thank you. Thank you. Different ways to say thank you. Formal, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Casual, thanks. Thanks a lot. Very casual, thanks. Quick and friendly, cheers. British, casual. How to respond when someone says thank you to you. You are welcome. Standard, polite. No problem. Casual, common. My pleasure. Formal, nice. Anytime. Casual, friendly. Sure. Or of course. Casual. Let's practice a full exchange. Person. Here's your coffee. You say, thank you. Person. You're welcome. You. Smile and nod. Person. I helped you with your homework. You say, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Person. No problem. You. Smile. See? Polite. Friendly. Perfect. Now let's use all 4 words in real situations. Situation 1. At a restaurant. Waiter, what would you like to drink? You say, water, please. Waiter, here you go. You say, thank you. Waiter, you're welcome. Are you ready to order? You say, yes, please. I would like the fish. Of course. Waiter, excellent choice. You say, thank you. Situation 2. Asking for help. Person, do you need help? You say, yes, please. Could you please help me with this? Person, sure, no problem. You say, thank you so much. Person, you are welcome. Situation 3. Refusing politely. Person, do you want more food? You say, no, thank you. I am full. Person, are you sure? You say, yes, I am sure. Thank you. Person, okay, let's practice these situations. Repeat the student parts after me. Situation 1. At a restaurant. Waiter, what would you like to drink? You say, water, please. Waiter, here you go. You say, thank you. Waiter, you're welcome. Are you ready to order? You say, yes, please. I would like the fish. Of course. Waiter, excellent choice. You say, thank you. Situation 2. Asking for help. Person, do you need help? You say, yes, please. Could you please help me with this? Person, sure, no problem. You say, thank you so much. Person, you are welcome. Situation 3. Refusing politely. Person, do you want more food? You say, no, Thank you. I am full. Person. Are you sure? You say. Yes, I am sure. Thank you. Person. Okay. Perfect. You're so polite now. Quick warnings. Some common mistakes. Forgetting please. Do not just say give me water. Say water, please. Forgetting thank you. Always say thank you when someone helps you. Always. Saying yes when you mean no. Don't agree just to be nice. It's okay to say no, thank you. Not responding to thank you. When someone says thank you, you should say you're welcome or no problem. Don't just stay silent. Do. Use these words every day, multiple times, with everyone. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Homework time. Task 1. Practice saying all 4 phrases 5 times each. Yes, please. No, thank you. Please help me. Thank you very much. Say them out loud, in front of a mirror, like you're talking to a real person. Task 2. Today, use these words in real life, even if you're not speaking English. Practice being polite. Notice how people react differently. Task 3. In the comments below, write a simple sentence using one of these words. Examples. Thank you for teaching me. Yes, please. I want to learn more. Please make more videos. Write in English. Try it. It's good practice. In Lesson 6 tomorrow, we learn numbers, counting from 1 to 20. Numbers are super useful. You need them for shopping, prices, time, what time is it, age, how old are you, phone numbers, everything. But today, you learned the magic words, the polite words, the words that make people like you. Use these words. Be polite. Watch how the world treats you better. Now, before I go, let me practice what I taught you. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Meow.